Let's draw a Mother's Day card today with elephant, mom, and baby. Start with a letter-size paper, turn it vertically. Fold the bottom up to about 2/3 position. Fold the free edge toward the left side. You should have a narrow strip on the right side. Let's draw baby elephant. Start with a horizontal line at 1/3 position. Make a small mark above this line. This is baby's back. Connect it to first line. To the right is the nose tip. Do not draw over the fold. Draw the nose tip like a free flipped on the side. Make a curved line down the nose tip. Connect baby elephant's head to the trunk. Draw the other line. Baby elephants don't have tusks. The eye is a small semicircle. The ear takes up half the body width, followed by 3 waves. Now the mouth. Baby elephant's legs are straight lines down. Draw the toe lines using wavy lines. Hind legs. Don't forget the tail. And wrinkles on the trunk. Now draw the heart, which is split between 2 sides of paper. Mark the top and bottom of the heart shape. Draw the top curves across left and right. Connect back to the dot. Now open the paper to see the heart split across it. First, complete this heart shape. Then complete the other heart shape. Extend the ground line toward the right. This is where elephant mom stands. Mom elephant is taller than baby elephant. Mark the back with a short line. Connect to the ground line. Mommy's nose tip is beside baby's on the right side of fold. Draw number 3 flipped on its side. Make a curved line down the nose tip. Connect mom elephant's head to the trunk. Draw the other line. Both male and female African elephants have tusks. So we will draw the tusk for this mom elephant. This way we know it's an adult elephant. Draw the eye with some eyelashes. Mom's ear is a mirror to baby's ear, only bigger. Same legs connected to the ground with straight lines. Hind legs too. And the tail. The outlines for both elephants are done. Now draw large hearts where writings will go. Mark the top and bottom of the heart shape. Draw number 3 flipped on its side. Connect back to the top. Draw other hearts in between the 2 initial heart shapes. Draw hearts in many sizes. Now use pink markers to draw cheeks. Next, color the baby elephant with the color you like. Reinforce the outlines first. Fill in the outlines. I forgot to draw nose wrinkles for mom elephant. Choose a color for mom elephant and reinforce the outline. Fill in the outlines. Start to fill in the hearts. You can use all sorts of colors to make it pretty. Write in the big heart shape. Write 3 short vertical lines. Connect the top using small semicircles. Write again, forming 2 ends. Connect the 2 ends using small waves. Draw a heart shape and connect it to the ridge. The word looks like mom. Next, fold up the paper to see how everything fits. Happy Mother's Day! What a beautiful card to give to mom! If you like it, Please subscribe and see you next time.